Hey, what is up everybody? So I have a review today of what is called a neck hammock, and I'm going to go ahead and tell you my personal story, what this has helped me with, and also how to hook this up. So basically what this neck hammock is for, it basically stretches your head away from your neck, which can increase blood flow and blood circulation in your neck, in your shoulders, as well as your back, neck pain, and can also relieve stress and tension headaches. Now, let me go ahead and tell you my benefits, okay? Now, the reason why I got this neck hammock is because I've been having like bad posture for the past like few years, and I tried a lot of other contraptions. I tried this one for like 6 months to give me like better posture. There's something you strap on here, and this is kind of a gimmick. I mean, you're supposed to wear this like a couple hours a day. You put it on, you can put your shirt over it, and basically it just like tightens everything up here, so you're forced to stand up straight like this. But the thing is, it's uncomfortable under the armpits. You have a lack of mobility on the arms. You can't like bend down and wash dishes. It's hard to drive. You have to sit up all up close like this. Anyways, this contraption here, I mean for posture, to me, it's a total gimmick. Okay, now this thing here is a totally different ball game. So I've only used this for almost 2 weeks, but I can tell you the first day that I used this, the next morning I woke up, I noticed right away that I was standing up straighter. So this basically has helped my posture. I'm able to breathe better. I sleep better. I'm more confident. I feel taller. I feel like my neck is like stretched out. And basically I just stand and walk more at like an upright position, and kind of instead of kind of like slouching over like this, now I'm a little bit more upright. So I'll give you a better view of this neck strap, and then we'll go ahead and hook this up. But basically this is what it looks like here. You have this padding here. I'll put a link below, but I think a lot of the neck hammocks are very similar, but this one here has a extra padding here. But this is the way it comes in. I like to have mine exactly the way it comes right out of the box. So you basically lay the back of your head here, and this part right here is elastic, as you can see, and you have a clamp right here. So you can basically hook this up to like a doorknob, a pole, or some kind of railing. I've only been using it like on the door in my office as well as my home. So let me go ahead and hook this up, and I'll show you how to use this on the doorknob. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my door. So basically when I would wanna put the back of my head on here, and it goes like this, okay? And you also can increase the length of the strap as well. So with the doorknob, what you wanna do, you wanna make sure you go on the other side. Don't go over here like this, okay? We wanna go on the other side here, just wrap around the doorknob, and then you kinda wanna place this like this, and then you wanna make sure the door is closed, just like that. And now we can see how this is hanging, and depending on your preference, like how much of a stretch you want to actually give it. I just noticed I didn't have my my mic turned on. Anyway, so here's the neck hammock here. I'm going to place it just like this, and I'm going to go ahead and lay on the floor right here. And I'm going to go ahead and whip this around, put this on the back of my head, and I like to bring it down a little bit more. So basically I can feel it like stretching like upwards right now. This is like a perfect position for me. So now I can feel it stretching my neck. It's also very, very comfortable. Now I've been doing this for the past like almost 2 weeks now, about 10 or 15 minutes per day. Sometimes it was like maybe 20, 25 minutes, because a couple times I actually fell asleep. It is quite comfortable. Anyways, this is pretty much how it works. You can go ahead and close your eyes, take a nap if you wish. Also, this neck hammock actually came with a sleep mask and like a bag, which I don't care for. Anyways, there you guys go. This is something that's not a gimmick, at least for me. And this is something that I'm going to continue to use as well. Anyways, there you guys go. Thanks for watching. And I think it's time for me to take a nap. There's one thing I wanted to mention. I said that I've noticed that I've been sleeping better. I think I've been sleeping better because it's been helping me breathe better as well. So anyways, back to taking a nap.